So yesterday, we did the most important foundational work of this entire challenge. We asked the big question, what do you want to be known for? It's a massive question, and your answer might feel a bit complex, maybe even a little abstract. So today, we're going to do something incredibly practical. We are going to distill that big, beautiful, complex vision into just 3 words. So welcome to day 7. Today, we forge the DNA of your personal brand. 3 words. That is, why 3? Because a great brand is simple, memorable, and repeatable. No one is going to remember your 5-paragraph bio, but they will remember an instance. They will remember a feeling. Your 3 words are your guiding principles for how you work, how you communicate, and how you make decisions. But these aren't just any 3 words. They must be authentic. They have to spring from that genre of genius we talk about, an intersection of what you are truly good and what you geniusly love to do. Thinking of it in this way, your "know for" statement from yesterday is the foundation. These 3 words are the main pillars you will build upon it. So, how do you choose? I am going to give you a simple, powerful template. Your 3 words should answer 3 different questions: what, how, and why. Word 1 is your core skill. This answer what. This is your primary, tangible value. It's what you are exceptionally competent. This word should ground your brand in real ability. Example could be analytical, creative, strategic, connector, builder, technical. Word 2 is your working style. This answer how. This describes your process and personality. It's the way you deliver your core skill. It's how it feels to work with you. For example, collaborative, decisive, able, methodical, inspiring, empathetic. Word 3 is your impact. This answer why. This is your promise. It is reason or feeling you live with people. It's why your work matters. For example, dependable, innovative, transformative, calming, game-changing, unbreakable. And when you put them together, you get a powerful brand statement. Look at the example from Proof. Inspiring, strategic, dependable. Let's break that down with our framework. Their core skill is being strategic. The what? Their working style is inspiring. The how? And the reason? They are utterly dependable. The why or impact. You immediately get a feel for this person. They don't just have ideas, they motivate others to follow them, and you can trust them to get it done. This combination is far more powerful than just strategic, smart, and hardworking. You need to blend up skill, style, and impact. So let's get to work. Here are the steps to find your child. 1. Create your word bank. Look back at your know for statement from yesterday. Now, beyond 3 categories, core skill, working style, and impact, I want you to brainstorm a list of 5 to 7 potential words of each category. Don't filter yet, just create a big menu of options that feel true to you. The second, the trial test. Now for the fun part. Start mixing and matching work from your 3 lists. Create at least 3 different combinations. For example, maybe your options are Trial A, analytical, collaborative, innovative. Trial B, strategic, decisive, transformative. Trial C, connector, empathetic, dependable. Say them out loud. Write them down. How do you feel? Which combination feels the most like you at your absolutely best? Which one gives you a jolt of energy? That's the one. Third, declare your version 1 brand DNA. Choose the one trial that resonates most. This is your version 1. It's not tattooed on your forehead. It's the working model. It's the compass you will wield for the rest of this challenge. Write it down somewhere you will see it every day. So, my 3 words are clarity, strategy, empowerment. I aim to bring clarity to complex ideas. This is my skill. Through a strategic framework, my style. To leave you feeling empowered, my impact. See how it works? So, having these 3 words is a game changer. They will guide what you say yes to and what you say no to. They will help you to write your LinkedIn bio. They will shape how you introduce yourself in meeting. They are your anchor in the noisy world of work. So, your mission today is to gain clarity. Follow this step and choose your version 1 brand trial. This is a powerful act of self-definition. Once you have a trial that feels right, I want you to own it. Share your 3 words in the comment below. Declaring them is the first step to living them. I cannot wait to see the incredible, diverse brands we have in this community. Now, having these 3 words is like having a blueprint for a powerful engine. But that engine needs changes and the driver that projects confidence and credibility. This energy is intangible quality that makes people listen. When you speak, has a name, executive presence. You don't need to be an executive to have it, but you absolutely need to become one. It's not about being loud or commanding. It's a subtle. It's a subtle combination of how you carry yourself, how you communicate, and how you think. Tomorrow, we are going to demystify this powerful concept. This will break down exactly what executive presence is and how you can start cultivating it, no matter what your job title is today. Subscribe so you don't miss it. I will see you for day 8.